Hello friends, welcome to our channel Neon Forge. We at Neon Forge wishes our viewers a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. In this video, we can see the significance of the Christmas tree, the decorations used, Santa Claus and Christmas carols. Come, let's get into the Christmas spirit. Christmas traditions for many nations include the installing and lighting of Christmas trees, the hanging of Advent wreaths, Christmas stockings, candy canes, setting out cookies and milk, and the creation of nativity scenes depicting the birth of Jesus Christ. Christmas carols may be sung and stories told about such figures as the baby Jesus, Saint Nicholas, Santa Claus, Father Christmas, Christkind, or Grandfather Frost. The sending and exchange of Christmas card greetings, observance of fasting, and special religious observances such as a midnight mass or vespers on Christmas Eve, the burning of a Yule log, and the giving and receiving of presents are also common practice. The Christmas tree was first used by German Lutherans in the 16th century, with records indicating that a Christmas tree was placed in the Cathedral of Strasbourg in 1539. In the United States, these German Lutherans brought the decorated Christmas tree with them. The Moravians put lighted candles on those trees. The Christmas tree is a decorated tree, usually an evergreen conifer such as a spruce, pine, or fir, or an artificial tree of similar appearance associated with the celebration of Christmas originating in Germany. When decorating the Christmas tree, many individuals place a star at the top of the tree, symbolizing the Star of Bethlehem. The traditional colors of Christmas are pine green, which is evergreen, snow white, and heart red. Blue, pink, and white are often used to represent winter. Gold and silver are also very common, as are other metallic colors. Typical images on Christmas decorations include baby Jesus, Father Christmas, Santa Claus, and the Star of Bethlehem. Now, who is Santa Claus? Santa Claus, also known as Father Christmas, Saint Nicholas, Saint Nick, Kris Kringle, or simply Santa, is a legendary character originating in Western Christian culture who is said to bring gifts to the homes of well-behaved children on the night of Christmas Eve or during the early morning hours of Christmas Day and coal to naughty kids. Santa Claus is generally depicted as a portly, jolly, white-bearded man, sometimes with spectacles, wearing a red coat with white fur collar and cuffs, white fur cuffed red trousers, red hat with white fur and black leather belt and boots, and carrying a bag full of gifts for children. In modern folklore, Santa Claus is said to make lists of children throughout the world. He categorizes them according to their behavior. He then sets out to deliver presents including toys and candy to all of the well-behaved children in the world. Misbehaving children receive coal on the midnight of Christmas Eve. Santa Claus is said to accomplish this feat with the aid of his elves who makes the toys in his workshop at the North Pole. Santa Claus flying reindeer are also said to provide assistance with pulling his sleigh. He is commonly portrayed as living at the North Pole and laughing in a way that sounds like ho ho ho. Christmas Eve Santa Claus rituals in the United States include reading A Visit from St. Nicholas or other tale about Santa Claus, watching a Santa or Christmas-related animated program on television, and the singing of Santa Claus songs such as Santa Claus is Coming to Town, Here Comes Santa Claus, and Up on the Housetop. Last-minute rituals for children before going to bed include aligning stockings at the mantelpiece or other place where Santa cannot fail to see them, peeking up the chimney in homes with a fireplace, glancing out a window and scanning the heavens for Santa's sleigh, and in homes without a fireplace, unlocking an exterior door so Santa can easily enter the house. After the children have fallen asleep, parents play the role of Santa Claus and leave their gifts under the Christmas tree. Tags on gifts for children are sometimes signed by their parents from Santa Claus before the gifts are laid beneath the tree. Now, what is a Christmas carol? A Christmas carol is a carol which is a song or hymn on the theme of Christmas. It is traditionally sung at Christmas itself or during the surrounding Christmas holiday season. Today, carols are regularly sung at Christian religious services. Some compositions have words that are clearly not of a religious theme but are often still referred to as carols. Traditionally, carols have often been based on medieval chord patterns, and it is this that gives them their uniquely characteristic musical sound. Some popular Christmas carols are Jingle Bells, Away in a Manger, Mary's Boy Child, Joy to the World, O Holy Night, etc. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another exciting video. Bye.